Center here in the national capital, the Delhi High Court, while listening to a plea related to the Delhi Coaching Center death case, lashed out at the Delhi police, the state government as well as the MCD. The High Court transferred the probe into the death of 3 UPSC students due to drowning in Delhi Coaching Center basement to the Central Bureau of Investigation. And the Delhi High Court said that it is transferring the case to the CBI so that the public does not doubt the probe. The court also highlighted the gravity of the incidents and potential involvement of corruption among public officials as a key reason for these directives. Now, during the proceedings in the Delhi High Court yesterday, the court rebuked the Delhi police for their handling of the investigation. The court also slammed the Delhi police officials present in the proceedings there. It said that mercifully you have not challenged the rainwater for entering the basement. Now, this statement was a pointed critique of the police approach following their arrest of Manoj Kathuria, who's the driver of the SUV alleged to have contributed to the flooding. Now, the Delhi High Court has slammed the state government for not holding a cabinet meeting and MCD for not having a standing committee for more than 1 year. Now, meanwhile, there's no end to politics over the issue, with the government and opposition passing the buck and ongoing blame game as far as this entire tragedy is concerned that has unfolded in the national capital just a week back. Now, listen in to the war of words.
मैं स्वागत करता हूं हाईकोर्ट के निर्णय का, और हम पहले दिन से कह रहे थे कि जो विभाग, जो मंत्री थे संतरी इस पूरे हादसे के जिम्मेदार हैं, उनके खिलाफ सीबीआई की जांच हो, उन सबको सूली पे लटका देना चाहिए। चाहे वो सौरभ भारद्वाज हैं, आतिशी मार लेना, उनके विधायक हैं, कोई अफसर है, जो भी इसमें शामिल है, जो उनसे भी, चाहे जल बोर्ड है, नगर निगम है, इन सब अधिकारियों के खिलाफ कड़ी कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए। उन मासूम बच्चों के ये हत्यारे हैं, उनकी लापरवाही के कारण, नालों की सफाई न होने के कारण ये हादसा हुआ है।
मैं एमसीडी और यहाँ के दिल्ली जो सरकार है, इनको मैं जिम्मेवार खड़ा करती हूँ, क्योंकि इनके जो स्थानीय लोग भी शिकायत करने के बावजूद भी वहाँ पे कोई एक्शन, कोई ऑफिसर, कोई बिजली का डिपार्टमेंट या इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का डिपार्टमेंट, कोई एमसीडी का डिपार्टमेंट, कोई भी उनके साथ नहीं दिए हैं।
देखिए, मैं सिर्फ चाहूंगा ना कि नॉन पार्टीजन इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो। सीबीआई की जो हाल के दिनों में भूमिका देखी है, तो ऐसा ना हो कि कंक्लूजन का चैप्टर पहले से पकड़ा दिया जाए और तब इन्वेस्टिगेशन करने को कहा जाए। हम उनसे उम्मीद करते हैं कि मौतें हुई हैं, बच्चों को, यूथ को झटका लगा। आप एक होलसम इन्वेस्टिगेशन करिए बिना भय या पक्षपात के।
Illegal construction going on, encroachment going on, and not only Delhi government but central government is also responsible, because DDA, police, MCD, all are under central government, and part of administration is with Delhi government. So what happened that both blaming each other.
My colleague Sabyasachi continues to be live with us. Sabyasachi, Delhi High Court was clearly not happy with MCD as well as Delhi Police, and that is why the probe has now been transferred to the Central Bureau of Investigation. BJP is saying that they're welcoming the order. Tell us what Aam Aadmi Party is saying, especially MCD's Shelley Oberoi.
Well, see, at this particular time, the Delhi High Court clearly has given the case to the Central Bureau of Investigation, citing that the people of the national capital should not have any doubt over the fact how the investigation is being carried out. Now, the Delhi High Court, in fact, came down heavily on the Delhi police, stating that the Delhi police has been incapable of acting against the MCD officials. Now, the Delhi High Court, in fact, hinted at a larger corruption at the MCD level. Now, the Delhi High Court also highlighted the fact that the population of the national capital is over 3 crores, and it is continuously increasing because of the Delhi government's various schemes. And at this particular time, the Delhi High Court, in fact, have formed a committee to look at the infrastructure of the national capital, which has been a major failure lately. See, at this particular time, the BJP has welcomed this particular move by the Delhi High Court of giving the investigation to the Central Central Bureau of Investigation. See, on the other hand, the Aam Aadmi Party has been leveling charges against the central government. See, the Aam Aadmi Party has been giving the reason that because of the ordinance law that has been brought in by the central government, the majorly powers are with the Lieutenant Governor, and this particular time the Delhi government hands are being tied up and they have nothing much to do. At this particular time, they have been saying that the Supreme Court, when it given its verdict in favor of the Delhi government, but it was the BJP who went and brought an ordinance law so that the power can remain with the Lieutenant Governor. So clearly the Aam Aadmi Party has been leveling the charges against the BJP for what happened in old Rajendra Nagar. But the Delhi High Court proceedings, if you see, was very much clear that the Delhi police have clearly failed to act against the MCT officials, and it came down heavily on the Delhi government as well, citing various reasons that how the infrastructure of the national capital has failed lately and nothing much has been done.
You're joining us, Sabyasachi, now getting